Let's do an updated house tour. Okay, we've entered the house. This is the entryway. Living room, staircase, pink room. Going into the living room, oh my gosh, it's bright. As you all know, the couch is a sleigh. I mean, look at those curves. These mirrors are from IKEA. They're so cute. The couch was so big, we had to split it up. So this is the TV, but I want to make a cute frame for it. This chair is also IKEA. What are you staring at? There's a lot going on here, but this is my little library, and this is my reading nook, and this is my Lana cake. This is the bird's eye view. Hot. Let's go to the pink room now. So this is actually a fireplace door, but we use it as a dog gate. Boop! This is my 80s room, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, look at this mirror right here. This reflection is everything. And this mirror, gorge. Obviously, I made this giant cake, and I think it's super cute, and it opens up for storage. Accessories. Over here, this is my vanity. Now, this bathroom, I just redid. It is super cute in here. It's like very bright, very bold, very me. Like, get into this mirror, baby. And there's a bathroom attendant. The wallpaper, mwah. Like, who wouldn't want to poop in here? Now we're in the kitchen and the dishwasher is having a party. It's a small kitchen, it's a dated kitchen, but it's also a huge sleigh. Real quick, here is a little dining area. It's cute. I'm trying to make it like really kitschy, like a bakery. And this is the dog shrine. Hi, girly. Okay, this is crazy. Here's the staircase to the second floor. It is wild. We're gooped and we're gagged. Okay, now we're off to the bedroom. As you can see, I have Under the Sea going on up in here, and I live, I laugh, I love for it. Oh, look, it's a pretty patty. Also, look at this lamp. Oh my gosh. And this lamp, get out of here. And the headboard, I mean, come on. Also, the color of these Brooklinen sheets and pillowcases are so cute with the purple. And look at the pink piano. I mean, come on. This is the hallway outside of the bedroom. As you can see, this is an ice cream shop / the bathroom. It's really tiny. There's not much to see, but it's cute. Guys, look at this door. This is the fruit room / Animal Crossing room / Dr. Seuss room. The lighting right now, yes. It is just so vibey in here. Look, it's an apple tree. Does this dresser not scream Dr. Seuss? And also this table. And also this dresser. I just love it in here. It makes me so happy. Anyway, thanks for hanging out.